Imagine this. You are building a rocket, a digital spaceship designed to connect millions, maybe even billions, of people. You pour your heart and soul into it, crafting every pixel, every line of code. But here's the burning question: is anyone actually on board? How many people are riding your spaceship? That's the question we're tackling today. How many users does spaceship actually have? Because let's be real, in the digital age, numbers matter. They tell a story of growth, of adoption, and ultimately, of impact. Now, you might be thinking, just Google it. But it's not always that simple. Companies, especially those in the tech space, often play their cards close to their chest when it comes to precise user numbers. They might release vague figures, or focus on monthly active users versus total registered users, or even break down data by region, making it a bit of a puzzle to piece together. Why the secrecy? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, competition. Knowing your competitor's exact user base gives you a strategic advantage. It allows you to tailor your marketing, your development, and your overall strategy to outmaneuver them. Secondly, investor relations. User numbers are a key metric for investors. A sudden drop or plateau in user growth can send alarm bells ringing, impacting stock prices and funding rounds. So, companies are often cautious about releasing data that could be misinterpreted. But here's the thing, we can still get a pretty good picture by looking at a few key indicators. We can analyze publicly available data, like press releases, quarterly reports, and even App Store download numbers. We can also look at trends in the industry and compare Spaceship to its competitors. For example, if Spaceship is a social media platform, we can compare it to established giants like Facebook or Instagram. We can see how their user growth has evolved over time and use that as a benchmark. If Spaceship is a financial app, we can look at the growth of fintech companies in general and see how they're attracting users. We can also look at engagement metrics. How often are users logging in? How much time are they spending on the platform? Are they actively creating content or simply passively consuming it? These metrics can give us a much deeper understanding of user activity beyond just the raw numbers. Another important factor is the target audience. Is Spaceship targeting a niche market or a broad audience? A niche platform might have a smaller user base, but a highly engaged one. A broad platform might have millions of users, but lower engagement rates. And let's not forget regional variations. User growth can vary significantly from one region to another, depending on factors like internet penetration, cultural preferences, and competition. Some regions might be experiencing rapid growth, while others might be stagnating. So, to get back to our original question, how many users does Spaceship have? The answer, unfortunately, is often it depends. It depends on the type of platform, the target audience, the region, and the metrics you're looking at. But even without a precise number, we can still understand the story behind the numbers. We can see the trends, the growth, and the impact that Spaceship is having on its users. We can see how it's connecting people, empowering communities, and shaping the future. And ultimately, that's what matters most. It's not just about the raw numbers, but about the real people behind them. The people who are using Spaceship to connect, to learn, to grow, and to build a better future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.